You wake up, check your phone, another bill notification, and for a second, just a second, you think, what's wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you. Debt isn't an accident, it's not bad luck, and it's definitely not your fault. Debt is a design, built by people in very expensive suits, in very tall buildings, a long, long time ago. Let's go back, way back. Imagine a small village. Everyone trades, bread for shoes, milk for wood. Simple. Then one day, someone says, what if instead of carrying bread everywhere, we use paper? And just like that, money was born. What happens when you need something now, but you don't have the money yet? I'll give you the seeds today, you pay me back later with a little extra. That little extra, that's interest. Governments notice something. When people borrow money, they spend it. When they spend it, businesses grow. When businesses grow, governments collect taxes. But why would a government want its people in debt? Stick with me, it gets darker. After World War II, countries were destroyed, economies were broken, governments needed people to start spending again. So what did they do? They made borrowing easy. Suddenly, you didn't need money to have a life, you just needed credit. A beautiful word that really means debt you haven't paid yet. Debt isn't just tolerated by governments, it's encouraged, quietly, systematically. When you borrow money, three things happen. You spend money you don't have, someone collects interest, the economy keeps moving. To get a high credit score, you have to borrow money and pay it back, and borrow again. You have to play the debt game to be considered financially healthy. And here's the part nobody talks about. What happens when the whole thing shakes? 2008. Banks had been giving out loans to people who couldn't afford them. They bundled those loans, made billions, then people couldn't pay. The tower fell. Millions lost their homes, and governments saved the banks, not the people. It's not a conspiracy. It's a system built piece by piece that benefits those at the top and quietly burdens those at the bottom. And the most powerful part? You were never taught how it works. Understanding the system is the first step to stepping outside of it. Once you see the design, you stop blaming yourself. Clarity is your power. Debt is not your failure. It is a feature of the system you were born into. The people who built this system understand money deeply. And the best thing you can do, the most rebellious thing, is understand it too. The system doesn't want you watching videos like this. So, let's keep watching.